Hi, Yoran. The question is, what is Power Pivot? It is in a data modeling component which allows data compression, aggregation, and calculation very effectively. And what is Power Query? It is in a self-service ETL extra transfer load it tool and allows user to pull data from different sources. And what is the Power Queue? It is a visualization tool which allows user to drag and drop for an easy and quick visualization. What is Power Map? It is a 3D data visualization tool which allows user to create interaction visualization on the table and chart or interactive visualization on table and charts is known as Power Map. What is DAX? It is a function which allows you to manipulate data to create dynamic calculations. Thank you.